Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be talking all about the new Juviasplace mini palette. It is the Sweet Pink palette. I'm going to be showing you guys some swatches, and I'm also going to be comparing it to the Berries mini palette. Also, I am going to be doing a tutorial of this look I am wearing right now. So if you're interested, just keep watching. But first, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you. Also, I do want to add that yes, Juviasplace did send me this palette in PR, but that will no way affect my review on this palette. Juviasplace, the Sweet Pinks mini palette, retails for $14. Has 3 shimmer shadows and 3 matte shadows. I received quite a few messages on Instagram asking me to compare the Sweet Pinks palette with the Berries palette. As you guys can see, there is no similar shadows. The Pinks palette is more bright pink colors, and the Berries palette is more deeper pinks and maroon shadows. Okay, starting on the top row, the far left shadow is a shimmer shadow that's very pink. Now the middle shade on the top row is a very hot pink fuchsia matte shadow. Now the far right shadow on the top row is a shimmer shadow. It is more of a rosy pink color. Now we have a matte that's more of a peachish pink color. The middle shade on the bottom row is a hot pink shimmer shadow with glitter. Now the last shade is more of a light pink matte shadow, and here is all of the swatches. I did only swipe my finger over the shadow twice, so these shades are very pigmented. The first shadow I'm going to be using is the hot pink on the top row. I am going to be blending that into the outer corner and all along the crease of my eye. I am going to be just packing that shadow on to get the full pigmentation. And as you guys can see, this shadow is super pretty and super bright. Now I am going to be going in back and forth motions and kind of just blending that shadow out a little bit above my crease. And now I'm just going to be doing those same steps on the other eye, packing that eyeshadow on the outer corner and dragging it all along the crease of my eye. Now I am going to be taking the last shadow in the palette. It's more of a salmon pink color, I would say. I'm going to be blending that into the shadow I applied first. I'm going to be going in back and forth circular motions to blend it all together seamlessly. Now I am going to be using some concealer to cut my crease. I'm going to be using this rose pink shimmer to cover my crease. And I do want to add, this is what the shimmer looks like without wetting my brush. So it is super shimmery and pigmented. Now I'm going to be using the hot pink shimmer glittery eyeshadow. I just have to use this because it's so pretty. And I am just going to be applying that to the outer part of my crease. Using those two shimmer shadows, I am just going to be repeating the same steps on my other eye. Now I am going to be going back into that hot pink matte shadow, and I'm going to be taking it on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to be blending together where the shadow and the crease meet. So it is blended flawlessly, so you cannot see any transition of where the crease ends. Again, with the matte hot pink shadow, I am going to be taking it on a flat brush, and I am going to be dragging it along my lower lash line. Now on a smaller fluffy brush, I am going to be taking the salmon pink shade, and I am going to be blending out my lower lash line. Now with a fluffy blending brush with no product, I'm just going to be focusing on blending everything out. Now I'm just going to be adding some mascara and then some false lashes, and the look will be complete. Okay guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. Stay tuned for Friday's video. It is going to be about the Taupes mini palette. So definitely make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you're notified every time I upload a video. I'll see you in my next video.